Damn, Kalamazoo's closer to Chicago than Detroit.
And we were walking by the river walk, and guess who lost their hat?
I couldn't have done it. I couldn't have done anything. It just flew right off my head. They call it the Windy City for a reason.
I guess they do, because it went right into the river. It's gonna be dyed green in a couple weeks.
Yep. Someday someone will find that hat and say, "I wonder where this came from." And
came right from your head.
Came right from my head. It does.
And I saw they had fancy water for free.
Did they?
Yeah.
Like in that thing.
Yeah. Some strawberry water. Ooh. This size.
We have a whole kitchenette. I'm here.
You can see the top of
Riley's bed, which was a couch.
The clouds.
Me and Joey's bed. And then, oh my gosh, look at the door handle.
Hey.
This is our view. That's the Willis Tower right there.
I don't know which one I want.
Let me see them.
I like this one. Hold on. I like that one.
You gotta replace the old one. It started to rain. It's so inconvenient. I'm wearing mascara and makeup, but I have an umbrella, so it should be okay. I thought it was just gonna be a sprinkle, but it started raining even harder. But we're at the beam, taking some pics. Ooh, look at this. How was your bean experience?
My bean experience was great. A little underwhelming, but it was cool. Good pictures. Sucks that it's raining, but.
Your bean experience?
It was good. I love the bees.
This umbrella keeps going inside out. Anyway, just got done at the bean. Our hands are at aquarium. It's a 30-minute walk. So, yay. It's supposed to stop raining in an hour. And we're all hungry. Oh, update, it's still raining. It's still cold. And we're 10 minutes away. We were gonna call an Uber. We couldn't figure out where they could pick us up, so we're just walking it. 30-minute walk to the aquarium. Gonna get some food there, hopefully, if they're open. I feel like random places are closed on Tuesdays. Like, what is that about? For my legs? Soaked.
That does piss me off. I just get really mad about it.
Made it to the aquarium and it stopped raining.
As soon as we got here.
Pants check. Oh, it's starting to
You
pick
can't
up
really tell
again.
on my pants, but I'm soaked.
Yeah.
I'm soaked as well.
Did you ever take a picture in front of this fountain, or was it somewhere else?
It's a pull.
Whoa. I got a grilled cheese. Let's look at it. Oh. Hot dog, chips. How is it?
So good.
Oh, I also got a Coke. Look how tall this is. Very cheesy. Whoa, they're hard. They're really good. Oh.
You know he's having a blast. At least.
Oh, there's 2 of them. 3 of them.
That is absolutely
When do their heads puff up like that?
Maybe just water.
I think it's the salt water. No, it's not.
Why didn't you just do that?
That's the water before.
Look at all those fish up there.
It's weird, the like reflection.
It's live footage from this thing. Oh my gosh, are these birds like preying on
I
them?
like turtles.
Why are they all down there? Like,
I don't know, that's weird.
Ponte ahí.
It smells good in here.
Just 2 dudes looking at some fish. This one is big though. Oh my gosh. How old is that?
We've eliminated, thank you guys, we've got a little adjustment of our tortoise round. We've eliminated family members. So you say, okay, I've seen turtles outside.
Because it makes it sound like Maybe. Look at that little fella. It's a newt.
Look at these.
What the? What is this?
Lamprey. Touch it. Touch this.
Oh, it's cold.
Imagine that.
Dude, it looks like
in the lake.
looks like something from the Upside Down. Oh my god.
Stuck?
I hope not. Doesn't it look like something that'd be in the Upside Down?
I know. I do not like those things.
Feel it touch the glass.
Ew. I do not like that.
It's like smooching it.
Still at the aquarium. We're in the wild reef. Look at that. Stepping on glass. Just off the aquarium, we got an Uber and we're going to the Starbucks Reserve at Roastery. Apparently it's the biggest Starbucks, so we're gonna go check it out. What was your favorite part about the aquarium,
The beluga whales.
Riley?
By the shark thing. Oh, cool.
The very last one?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
In a quarter mile, make a slight right turn on South Columbus Drive.
We're getting a tasty. Maybe I'll stand next to this fire and warm up. Yeah, this is right.
You can eat it now.
Or is it like...
You know what, actually?
There's a berry store.
It's not bad.
You know, depends what my wallet is.
There's a Starbucks we were just in. 5 floors. Insane. Cute. Is it upstairs?
Yes. Really? Oh yeah, I like that.
The smell. That'll be our next vlog. We're going to Vegas. Can't wait for that video. Right?
Right, right. Currently walking back to the hotel, but we are gonna stop along the way to see what we like to walk in places. We just went to the Lake Store. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger, but it was kind of small. Oh, right here?
Where should we go?
I was gonna say like over there.
Looks pretty good.
It does look good. Oh, not the bag all wet.
It tastes like.
It's very cheesy.
That tastes fire, but I also did not eat much, so that's my other thing. I don't have much to base it off of.
Do you like
I'll
it?
eat more of this later.
It's okay.
Good morning. It is day 2 in Chicago and we leave today. Our train is at 2 o'clock, but we have brunch at 11. It is currently 9:30, I think. But I'm gonna get ready and then we're probably gonna go walk around before we go to brunch.
You know, they're like this. Hey!
Oh my gosh.
That's really Bae. Don't even think about putting your phone out there.
I wasn't.
Okay.
I was just gonna stick my arm out.
Oh, it doesn't open that much, huh?
No, it doesn't.
You wanna try it?
Is it any more? Let's find out. Hold on. You don't like.
No, it's probably a lot.
Nice.
So you don't jump.
Yeah. You just could put your phone out there. I mean, it's just at least down there. You don't have to go outside and get it. Oh yeah. Couple cup. Pop.
That's pretty good. I thought this was like a mall, but I don't think it is.
Tortured. Oh yeah. Chicago.
No, we should not go get tortured right now.
Look at how ominous the entrance is. There's like.
Yeah, you gotta do the secret knock to get in.
Yeah.
All ready?
Cheers.
Down. Up.
I don't even know what it is. It wasn't bad though.
Yeah, it wasn't terrible.
I hope not.
I hope not either.
Because that's a bad sign for like future games.
Yeah, that's true. Because then other games will start doing that. You know what I mean?
We're back at the train station. Got some food. About to head home.